Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to copy multiple items and paste them together using the Windows Clipboard History feature. So, let's get started. First, we need to make sure Clipboard History is enabled. Open the Settings app by clicking the Start menu and selecting the gear icon, or by pressing Windows key +I. Next, go to System. This is where you'll find the Clipboard settings. In the left-hand menu, select Clipboard. Here, you can enable Clipboard History. Toggle the switch under Clipboard History to turn it on. This will allow you to copy multiple items and access them later. Now that Clipboard History is enabled, you can start copying multiple items. Use Ctrl+C to copy text, images, or files as you normally would. Each copied item will be saved to the Clipboard History. To access Clipboard History, press Windows key +V. A window will pop up showing all the items you've copied recently. From this window, you can click on any item to paste it into your document, email, or wherever you need it. You can also pin frequently used items to keep them readily available. If you want to clear your Clipboard History, simply click Clear All at the top of the Clipboard History window. This will remove all copied items from the history. Pinned items will remain in your Clipboard History even after you clear the history. To pin an item, click the three dots next to it and select Pin. And that's it. Now you know how to use Windows Clipboard History to copy multiple items and paste them together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if there are any other topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.